wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Oh. Oh! Oops. Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! Dream Again! Dream Again! Do you like where we put that sign? Yeah, it's been up there for some time, hasn't it? I like it. Kids, have you guessed? Frozen is coming out soon. And you know what that means? Time to eat? No. Olaf, I told you not. Don't eat. It's Olaf. He's a special guest on our show. We wanted to do an interview with him, but I told you not to eat those cookies. Your cookies are here. Kids, just wait. Hold on 1 second. Wow, that was a scene. That was a nice introduction there. Olaf? Are you still alive? So, Olaf, why don't you say hello to the kids?
Surprise!
It is a surprise, right, kids? The surprise is that Olaf is a special guest on our show, and he's here just for you, kids. I know he's been going from town to town promoting his movie, but no, today he's here.
That went right through me.
What went right through you? Have you been eating that candy that's for the kids that we wanted to bake for next week? Oh, is it too cold? But we made it really cold for you so you won't melt.
I am Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Oh, kids, did you hear that? A warm hug. Oh, sorry. You're done to melt.
Sugar rush.
Sugar rush? Okay, well, we wanted to show the kids how you can eat, right? So, we just throw it into your mouth.
Sugar rush.
Olaf, what are you doing? Okay, there we go. So, now... Olaf, you keep on falling down. Okay, I'm going to collect all the candy. So, now I can put it into your mouth. Open wide. Oh, you spit that one out again, didn't you? You spit that one out too. You're not a good guest.
Noah! Can I come help?
Help. Oh, Olaf. If you don't want to eat anything, I don't know what to do with you. You're here to show the kids what you can do, and then you can't do anything, and what are we gonna do then? I might as well just eat all of it myself.
Noah!
Oh, Olivia!
Wow!
Hey!
Is that you and Olaf?
It is. Olaf is special guest today because he came from his Frozen 2 tour and he specifically wanted to come visit us here and so he could say hi to the kids and everything. And, you know, I baked a lot of candy and cookies and a fruit cake and a bun cake and some sugar cookies and everything because I wanted to be a good host, you know, and you know, to invite him and since he's a nice guest and everything. But the thing is, he's not eating anything.
You're not eating anything? Hi, Olaf. Why aren't you eating anything? Are you not hungry?
No, I think I try to give it to him, but then he spits it out.
Here, wait. Can I help?
Yeah.
Maybe I can.
I hold him.
Oh, you hold him?
Maybe you can give him. Maybe he just likes to get food from you.
Let's see. Ooh, this smells good. Olaf, please eat this nice piece of bundt cake.
Yes, please, Olaf. Oh! I think he pooped that out.
I think so too. Wait, maybe he didn't like that one. Let's try this one. This one is a fruit cake. This one's a fruit cake.
Okay.
Okay, so. Oh.
Oh. I think he ate that.
Yeah, I think he ate that one. Okay, so now this one's a fruit. Oops.
Fruit cake.
Yeah, fruit cake.
Yeah, I made that myself.
Ooh, good job in the bakery. Wait, and
See? He just spits it out.
whoa.
And then he says sugar rush and then he just spits it out.
Hold on. Let's try this one. This one's another bundt cake. Oh!
Maybe I need to try.
Yeah, okay.
Here,
I'll
why don't
hold him.
you hold Olaf?
Okay, let's try this one.
Okay, Olaf.
Okay, Olaf.
I'm giving you the fruitcake that I just made for you.
Oh! He pooped that one out too.
Why do you poop out my
Wait,
cake?
yeah. Olaf, why aren't you eating? Whoa.
Okay, this one is
This one's gonna be tasty. Oh, he spit that one out. I blindfolded him so that he doesn't know what we're giving him.
Oh, good idea.
Nope.
He just pooped
Pooped
that
it
out.
right out. Yep. Let's try another one. It's kind of funny.
Oh, let's do that again.
Yeah, it was funny.
Okay, I'm just gonna make him eat and poop
Yeah.
at the same time. This is funny.
This is funny. Whoop. I think you bit your finger. Oh! There it came.
Oh, this
Sugar rush. Sugar rush. Oh. You have to keep it in for a sugar rush, Olaf.
I think now he's full.
Should we show him all the other treats that we brought?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah.
I kind of am hungry. I want to have a cupcake now.
Uh-oh. I dropped a couple bits.
It's okay. 5
There's just
seconds
one.
more.
Yeah. Here we go. We have lots of them.
Oh, this is so delicious.
Oh yeah, Olaf, we would give you some, but you're gonna just poop it out.
Oh. Did you poop?
I didn't poop.
It smells.
It's Olaf poop.
Kids, I think it's time for us to say goodbye.
Yeah. Oh, it's so bad, Olaf.
I think Olaf pooped too much.
Yeah, it smells like yellow snow.
I just have to go. Goodbye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
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 Bye. Olaf, excuse you.
Yeah, but really.
Yeah. There are people in here.
There were people in here.
Yeah. He has nothing
I
to
gotta
say
go.
for himself.
This stinks too much.
Okay.
I am Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Oh, Olaf. Oh, man. Sheesh. Ugh. I just can't anymore. I'm leaving too.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!